Sorkar jelak lapan kre ban Kyrshan da kajing rapisa yaki Sports Association ki bakwa ban pha yaki nong yale ka jongki Shabar Khubor ban Leit Pyntbit shushu kumshi Bynta kajing pen kre ikan National Games hajar arpuhnyo laong Menteri Ketenat Sports Khubor ba wailat miki Shillong habakran cekilar pathai Khubor ba wailat miki ulaong ba kani ka jingeram kalong kamon sngo bha bat kajing betha na ka Sorkar Ulaong bakashong hakarai jongki Sports Association ban shim yakarai.
If you remember, in the second phase, we already said that we have kept a provision where different association, where if they want to send their athletes for outside exposure, so we have kept some amount, so fund for that. So that is what we are saying. That not necessary. It's up to them whether they feel it is necessary. They can go, and if not, they can use the amount for their other purposes.
Proper training.
Yeah, definitely, because I think exposure play a very important role, because it's not only about training, it's about how to perform at that particular moment, and then especially to compete with the top level athletes. So that is very much important. So I feel no doubt it is very important for their outside exposure. Estimate, last time we have more or less we have proposed from the, as you all know, that we have formed the this national game committee. So on that, then we have worked out little bit, and then it has come to almost 600 crores for the national games soon and all. But still the work is still going on, and from what we have seen is that we are quite confident that before the national game, by December or January, all the venue will be ready.